Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aixa. So today I'm really excited, as opposed to every other day. Every day I'm excited, aren't I? I have been going to war just to get this box here, which is, for those of you that do not know, it is Jeffree Star's Holiday Mystery Box. Not necessarily buying the box, but receiving the box was a struggle. It was just a whole story with the post office and just too much. So I finally got it. Good, because this box is $100 and it is supposed to have a value of over $266. So I'm really excited, and I was so excited to come and sit down and film, and it's just so let's open her up. She's still taped. And you know, with Jeffree, he tapes all the way around. So give me about till tomorrow to open this up, and I'll come right back. So I got it open, I think. Kind of. Okay, so while I do the last bit of untaping, let's tell you a little bit about this box. So for his holiday mystery collection, mystery box, whatever collection thing, he had 3 different sizes. There is the mini, which was $20, the deluxe, I'm sorry, the premium, which is $60, and the deluxe, which is $100, which is this one here. I tried to get all 3, but I knew the deluxe was gonna sell out the first, so I purchased this one first, and then I went back and I saw that the premium and the mini were still in stock, so I added them to my cart. And once I got to check out, they said they were sold out. So I should have just did all 3 at one shot, right? Too late. But I didn't think I'll make it to get this one, and this is the main one that I wanted to get. So I got it. The mini was a very controversial box because they did put stickers in it. Honestly, them stickers were bomb AF, and I kind of was hoping that they put it in this box because I kind of wanted those stickers so I could put on my laptop and everything. Like, they were cute. But I do understand where they came from, because they said they had 3 items in the box and it was basically 2, and one of the items were stickers. For $20, I mean, they still got their money's worth, but I do understand the controversial part there. But yeah, let's just get into this, actually, because I've been waiting forever for this, and now I'm just chit-chatting like, girl, you know you want to open this box, so let's open it up. Okay, and I still didn't untape it right. Oh my gosh, what is going on? Oh, I was opening it upside down. So I do know that the deluxe box, which is the one that I got, is the only one that came with apparel because it had a sizing on it. So I chose large because I like my clothes a little bit comfy sometimes, so even if it does a little bit big, it's fine. So let's see what we got. How about I just show you guys? I don't want to look. I don't want to look. Okay, you guys want to? Is it good, guys? Is it good? Do you see anything good on top? What is this? What is this? Wait, I see stuff at the bottom. Hold on. I don't want to look yet. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Wait, is this a hoodie? Stop. This thing feels so thick. Oh, I love hoodies. Oh my god, this is so cute. So it's all just plain on the side, but the front, it says Jeffree Star. Look, guys, can you see? It says Jeffree Star's Cosmetics, and it says we're 5-year anniversary, and then it has like the stars on the side. This is so cute. And then, oh my god, wait, I didn't see that. At the bottom for the back, it says iconic. How freaking cute is that? Oh my god, guys, let's put it on. And it's thick, and it's, oh my gosh. And it's a large, thank you Jesus that I chose a large, because I love my hoodies a little bit big. Oh, this is It's a little big, but it's fine because you can't even, I'm like this, like you can see the sleeves come a little off, and I love that because I like to be able to just suck into my hoodies. So that's cute. So I just got a very hot now, which means it's a good hoodie, but I'm starting to sweat. So we're just gonna take it back off. But that's so good, and that's good because here in Jersey it's cold. So to have a hoodie, oh gosh, it's great. I'm really excited about that. I have to see how much that costs. Coffee. Okay, so let's get into the other items in this box. So, wow, hold up. So let's look into the rest of this box here. How cute. We have a metal, okay, I love how I go for the thing all the way to the bottom, right? We have a metal straw. Ah! I'm falling apart, guys. This is so cute. So we do use metal straws in my house. We actually have a good collection of them. But I think this is really cute. It says Jeffree Star on it. It's like a little candy cane. And it comes with the brush cleaner. The straw cleaner. Oh, I love it because it looks like a little candy cane. Okay, the next thing is tissue paper. Okay, guys, stop. Because we did get this, I got the stickers, and like I said, I understand their anger, blah blah blah, but I'm really excited to have these. I know I feel like a little child because I'm like, stickers, but like look how cute these are. How freaking cute. So this one, the first one here is can't relate. Then we have the one right next to it is hi, how are you. We have some cherries drip. We have beauty killer. We have blue blooded. We have the tea sis. I think this is really cute. Then we have, let's skip over that, we have VSOTP. We have Frosty. We have a lip ammunition. We have a hand of brushes, and it says Blend Beach. It's really crazy because I was gonna get a tattoo similar to this, and it's like a hand holding brushes and like a mascara wand, which is really cute. So I thought this was really funny. I think that was a sign for me to get it. Then we have Jeffree Star approved. I freaking love these stickers, and I'm about to like decorate the crap out of my laptop later, just so you know. That's what my night is looking like. So I'm really excited. Wow, I feel like a child, but it's okay, guys, it's okay. So then we have the shake well, oh, I said shake one before. We have a guys, it's time for me to go to sleep, I swear. Then we have the velour liquid lipstick in the shade Cloud. If I can, okay, come on. Stop, because like for real, look how pretty this is. I don't think, look at that, look at the packaging on this thing. Let me just watch that real. I don't think you guys understand. Look how freaking pretty that is. Then I believe that they retail for $18. That's not bad at all, especially since I think the hoodie alone was like $45, $55. I'll double check out, you know. Then we have a liquid lipstick in the shade Huntington Beach. Open that one up. Stop playing with me. We all know this ain't gonna look good on me, but let's talk about the eye makeup. Yes, let's be real, because we all know this ain't gonna look good on me. Let's okay, so this comes out a lot darker than it does in the tube, but look how pretty that is. I wish I could pull something like that off. Then we have the Peppermint Frost highlighter in the shade Caramel Kiss. How pretty is that? Let's just zap my finger in that. Wow. It's so like naturally light. Like look at that. Like it looks so dark in the pan, but it comes off so pretty. Like I feel like maybe if I added more, it would look a little bit darker, but I think that would be really pretty on my complexion. I actually don't own any of his Supreme Frost, so I'm actually pretty happy to see that, so that I can play with it and see how it fits. Like not fits, how it feels and wears, and how blinding it really is. So that's exciting. So then we have this palette, I'm assuming. So we got the Thirsty palette. Like, no. Let's talk real quick. I've been wanting this palette, and to see it in this box, it's like he heard me. It's like he knew that I wanted it. We about to go look at these. Alright, so this is the Thirsty palette. Oh my god. Take that off. Oh, guys, it's time. If I can grab it. Get in there. Alright. This is so pretty. Look at this, guys. Tell me this ain't pretty. How freaking cute is this palette? Okay, so we're gonna talk about the shades. Starting down corner. So the first one is Parched, Taste Buds, Bitch, Kumquat, Stroke, Divine, Filthy Rich, Lick, Snatched, Plunge, Subtle, Quench, Submerge, Splash, and Drizzle. Like, tell me this palette isn't pretty. Like, I dare you. So I've been waiting for this, and I've been wanting this. Like, I'm really excited. You don't understand. All right, let's go. So we have one more item in this box, and this is the exclusive item, other than the stickers, obviously. This is the other exclusive item, and this is the Supreme. Oh, I'm sorry, Supreme. The Skin Frost Pro Palette in Peppermint Frost. So I didn't know about this one because I know he gave a sneak peek on his Twitter of this being in this deluxe palette. I mean, the deluxe box. Let's take a look. Stop, because these are pretty AF. I love how this is like a candy cane vibe. Like, these are pretty AF. Like, so we have Ugly Sweater, Igloo Gold, and Chocolate Ice. So I have nothing to say. I'm really happy. So I have like about 18 a piece here, 45, 50 vibes for the hoodie. Like, this palette was probably like 40 something. I have to double check how much it cost. This palette was sold for. I don't think he would have this up like price wise, but I can compare it to like another Skin Frost palette. Then we have a Supreme Frost, like the straw, the stickers, like what? Stop playing with me. Like, these is bomb. Okay, bomb. I'm really excited about it. Oh my god, really in love with this purple here though. Like, if you guys can see how pretty it is in person, like, I'm gonna find a look to wear these with. Like, I'm so serious, because I need these on my lips. So tell me, what do you think about my box? Do you think it was worth the $100? Because I do. Like, I loved everything that came in this box. Honestly, I loved it. I loved everything that came in this box. Like that hoodie I'm definitely using. The stickers I'm putting all over my laptop, like it's over, like no hesitation. The straw, I already use metal straws, so this is not like anything that I won't be using, so that's good. I love the candy cane print of it, like the lipstick, like these. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out. I swear, I'm gonna figure it out. I promise you guys, I'm gonna figure it out because these are so pretty. And then we got the Skin Frost, the Palette, the Supreme Frost, the Thirsty Palette. Like the fact that this was in there is like he knew that I wanted it, and like he brought it to me. I'm so excited to play with this, and like maybe I could find a look in here that would be good with the lipsticks. Stop acting because I'm gonna make it happen. Stay tuned because I'm gonna make it happen. All right, if you see a video of the Thirsty Palette with one of these, you already know I struck gold, baby. I struck gold. So let me know what you thought about the box. Let me know if you thought it was worth $100. Let me know if you have any of these things. Let me know if you want any of these things. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to comment down below. Leave a comment. Tell me what you thought. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me what are you going to tell me today? I want you to tell me. Let me know if you used any of Jeffree Star's cosmetics items and what's your favorite of his. Let me know. Tell me down below. Let me know. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button down below so that you can be notified when I upload. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.